Today I'm going to be making an easy grilled sandwich. First, what you want to do is you want to cover one side of your bread with some butter. And you can put as little or as much butter as you want. I suggest only put one side. You can put more than one side. You can put both sides if you want. But I just like doing it one side, so I'm going to do one side today. And then we're going to flip the bread over so the part that we put butter on is not going to be where we put the stuff. So here we're going to put some onions. Come on. Some onions and some tomatoes, which I've already chopped. And we're gonna put some salt and some pepper. Just a little bit. And last but not least, cheese. We're gonna put, you can put as much cheese as you want, but I'm gonna put a lot because I like cheese. There we go. And then we're gonna cover it. And I have already started to warm my toaster. And I'm gonna put my sandwich inside the toaster. Hi guys, welcome back. So the toast is toasted now, as you can see. We're going to get a plate here, a normal plate, and I'm going to use a fork to take this sandwich off of the grill and unplug it like that. And then we're going to cut the sandwich in half in a triangle shape, like this. As you can see, the cheese is very gooey, and we're going to decorate it. Put a tiny bit of ketchup on top if you want. This is totally optional. Just going to decorate it like that. And if you want, you can put some on the side for you, as much as you want. This is completely optional. And there you have it, a perfectly done grilled sandwich. So this was my recipe for today. Please like and subscribe and tell me if you want more.